time is the precious resource on the SAT. Most students, if given enough time, would be able to finish the test and get probably most of the questions right. But since they limit time, we need to manage this precious resource. And the main tip I can give you for managing time on any section is to keep moving. Don't get stuck on questions. You do not, especially questions early in a section, you don't want to spend a lot of time on one question when you've got a bunch of questions to follow. Not for any reasons. I mean, one reason is if you spend a lot of time on a question and you don't get it right, well, you've just invested a bunch of time in a losing effort, essentially. So you always want to make sure that you're using your time effectively, and that means if you feel at any moment that you're getting stuck, that you're getting frustrated, you're getting bogged down on a question, skip it and move on. So an example, if I were doing this number 25 and I was reading it, I had no idea, I'd have to look at it closer, look at each choice. I knew it would take me a lot of time. What I would do is I would just circle the number in my test booklet and then move on. And then later, once you've completed the rest of the questions, then you can come back to it. The one thing to keep in mind, though, when you're doing the strategy is be careful bubbling. So if I am doing a real SAT and these are my answers and I skip 25 and I do 26 and let's say I say 26 is D, I got to be careful not to bubble D in for 25 because then all the answers that follow are going to be messed up. So that's the one warning. But overall, keep moving. Don't get stuck and practice this. Whenever you feel like you're getting stuck, just skip it and move on. All right, get it out of your mind and come back to it later when you know you've got the time and when you know and when you've given yourself some time to think it over. And you never know, when you come back to it, you might see something you didn't see the first time.